Nikola will unveil electric versions of 2 semi-trucks in April. Nikola seems to have cracked the nut on how to build fully electric semi-trucks. It revealed its Nikola 2 and Nikola Tre will be available in electric configurations as well as hydrogen. Nikola does plan to keep working on hydrogen trucks, so it's not fully switching to electric anytime soon. It says hydrogen's cheaper for long-haul drives, and the startup expects to see 50 times as many orders for hybrids as its electric semi-trucks. However, it claims EVs are particularly useful for inner cities and non-weight-sensitive applications.